Hi everyone and welcome to the tutorial on Custom Map Manager. We've put a lot of work into the Custom Map Manager the last year or so, and I just wanted to give you a quick video to show you some changes we've made. If you come up here to the three dots on Layers, you can click it and go straight to your custom maps. This opens what we call our Custom Map Manager. So the first tab is called Upload and Processing. So let's talk through this really quick. You have your Start New Upload, you'll click this button and find the map you want to update. This first table is the processing maps table. So when you first load your map, it'll start here, it'll tell you it's processing, and it'll give you your file name, and this is your custom map ID. You can also come up here and right click and add different things. If you add the stage, it'll actually tell you as it's processing what stage it's at. This bottom one is the table for completed, canceled, and errored maps. So I've left a lot in here so I can give you an example. So here's an errored map. It tells you that it didn't complete because it's an error status. And if you go down here, it kind of tells you why. If you scroll down a little, you'll see that there's a canceled status. I actually canceled that map by just right-clicking and saying cancel on my progress map. Once you have a completed map, it'll come in here and tell you that your map is completed as well. Once it's completed, you can go to your existing maps and we'll go there next. But one more thing to see is you can actually clear out this list. Say you have a lot of maps that you've processed lately and you don't want to see them anymore, you can clear the selected one or you can clear all of them. So let's go to existing maps now. So if you go to the existing map tab, this is your main table. In here you'll see all of your maps that are loaded or shared with you. You can see that I have a shared map right here because the owner is not me. And if you want to filter these changes, you can do that. You can also filter if you come in here and you know the name, it'll try and filter out your uploaded maps to help you find that. So if you select a map and then you right click it, you can see here that you can edit the map. If you go into edit, it's basically just changing your name or your ignore value or your units or your metadata. If you right click the map and go to reprocess, it opens a similar dialog, but you'll see that these corner points are now editable. You can come in here and you can edit it and then say reprocess, and it'll reprocess the map for you instead of having to go through the entire upload process again. So let's go back to upload processing and upload a map. So you go to start new upload and you find the map you want to upload. After you select the map you want to upload, you'll go to this new upload dialog and you'll have three options. You can manually enter it. So say you know exactly the points you want to put in, or it's a ping and it doesn't have any georeference information. You can come in here, select that and say continue, and that will open this dialog that allows you to put everything in manually. We'll go back to start new upload. And you can see that upload and process is basically just if you have a map that has georeference data, you can just select that and say continue, and we will read the header and upload it directly into JMARS. The last option is verify information. So this is a good one to go to if you don't know what your header is. So I'm going to do that one, and it basically reads the header and then it stops and says verify your information. And then you can look at whatever's in your header and make changes or say continue. So we're going to go to verify image and press continue. You'll see that it's in my upload table. It's in process, analyzing my header, and now it changed the status of verify image. So you're going to click your map, then right click and say view edit. And this is the information we got from the header. So if it's wrong, you can change these points, or if it's right, you can just say process. All right, and now it's done. So you see that it's added to my completed table. Now let's go to existing maps, and you'll see my new map is right there. And I'm going to say add this layer, and I'm going to close out of my custom map manager. It's loaded. Now I want to go into input and say center over my map so that I can see where it's at. And there's my map. Well, that's it for the new custom map manager. Hope you guys enjoy the changes.